Drama birds.
Drama bird.
Baka! Baka! We are here in lovely Santa Monica, California. We are going to do something fun today. Have you heard of the Bird scooter? It's an electric razor scooter, and the way you do it is you locate it via an app, and they charge you like 15 cents a minute, and you can take it for as long as you want, and then you just leave it. I think you find it through the app, but I don't know how the company charges it. Drama and I today. Oh, he's downloading the app right now.
I just got it.
Okay, so we're gonna try to find this electric razor scooter and go the farthest anyone has ever gone before.
Ever.
Yes. We heard the farthest is LAX. We're gonna try to go to Manhattan Beach. If the battery dies, we're just gonna throw it on the ground and grab another one and keep going till we get to Manhattan Beach. So we got the Bird app. It's got a little bird. It looks like a diner. And look how many there are in this neighborhood. This is nuts. There's like 1,000 of them. Boom, boom. We just got our helmet. Mine's is sponsored by 5'4". My son Dominic. Bird Gang WeHo, West Hollywood, and BAD. Birds Against Drugs.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a thing about my helmet. First of all, it's all about brand awareness. It's my life, it's my brand, you gotta make sure you always rep that. Okay, then you gotta let people know that you go fast and you take risks. That's what the lightning bolt represents. And last but not least, here at the Bird Gang, we're a bunch of badasses.
WeHo in this.
WeHo gang, you know what I mean? So, just so they know, like, oh shit, I don't wanna mess with that guy. That's what that's for. Bird Gang.
Unlock. Oh, ride in progress. Good.
Oh, we're live, bro.
Oh yes, what a wonderful world.
What is this?
It's so random.
It's super random.
How about you, brother? Good to see you.
I'll chat a little bit.
All right.
All right, later.
We are in Venice.
Sometimes you gotta ditch your bird.
63.
85.
Good.
We're cruising. All right, we're halfway. Are we halfway?
Halfway. But guess what every bird needs?
What does every bird need?
A cocktail.
All right, I've never heard that one before, but apparently every bird needs a cocktail.
Couple shots of tequila and we'll be doing salsa.
Keep in mind, kids, don't drink in bird,
Never drinking bird.
unless you're us.
So far we're good. We're in Marina del Rey. There's a lot of bird camaraderie. We have about 7 miles left. It's easy to ride, but I think it's actually really safe. You know, you can carry your backpack, go to work. I would definitely recommend taking the bird, like on a Friday night. You and your bae, hop 2 birds, pick up 2 more birds, head home, maybe watch birds. Okay, I just hit up customer service to see if it'll last me 7 miles, because I'm at 51%. Anders responded with, that is really going to be pushing it. Depends on the route, hills, the amount of stops. We'll see. God, I'm at 25.
We're on the hunt for some birds because Dee's bird is dying.
You piece of birch! I might run to my next bird. The best bird ever.
Come on, champ.
2 birds!
What?
I might be dead!
with a helmet tends to bump into things.
Iron Man. 2 miles. Bird died. No problem. We're done.
We're done.
We made it to Manhattan Beach Pier from Santa Monica Pier.
So single-handedly, I am the world record holder
Yeah.
for the longest bird ride. Do you think the business itself has a strong future?
I actually do. Places like Shanghai and places like that where traffic is so bananas, I think it'll be amazing. India,
If you could fix one thing about it, what would you say?
give an extra battery charger.
And bad connection. You had to leave a bird behind
Yeah,
because of a bad connection.
get that T-Mobile Unlimited plan.
Yeah. You did it, man. Good work.
All right,
Way to run it out.
tequila time.